something I feel like we should be honest about is we constantly are feeling like overwhelmed and like we're drowning in our own belongings. Oh, I want to keep being real and honest with you guys, and it's not exciting right now, and things aren't exciting, and the boat's a mess, and it's embarrassing. So I did another painting, another boat painting.
Said I want to do a test run before I know.
I'm Carly, and this is Brady. In early 2020, we sold our house and most of our possessions and took our first big leap into living our vagabond dreams. We recently hiked 800 miles of the Appalachian Trail, and now we are purchasing a sailboat to start sailing around the world, all while capturing a creative journal of the journey. We hope to inspire you to live your own dreams. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Good morning. It is about 8:40 again. 8:44. Brady left for work a while ago. I'm not entirely sure when. It is 67 on the boat right now, and feels really nice. Actually, it feels really nice. A little bit chilly. I mean, I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, and a little bit chilly, but not enough to like get sweats or anything. But yeah, it is beautiful. I think some storms are rolling in today, and this is like today's high. Look who washed her hair. Yeah, still doing more going through the boat stuff. I didn't film too much last night, but I will be filming more of that, of getting the boat ready for guests. But right now, some coffee and maybe some YouTube watching, just some relaxing this morning. Slept horrible again, and when Brady left, I told him, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and just sleep some more and not get up yet. That didn't happen. I laid there for a little bit and then couldn't fall back asleep, so here I am. It's been so bad lately. It's so bad. But oh well. Finally got my coffee made. There wasn't enough left over, so I had to make some fresh as well, which is okay with me. And yeah, now I'm thinking I'm gonna sit here, sip on some coffee and draw. I'm gonna look and see if I can find another tutorial to do. I've been doing tutorials because Procreate on the iPad is definitely much better boat-wise than painting on like paper or canvases or anything like that. I'm just trying to learn it. I've had it for a few years now. I've just not really ever used it a whole lot. I drew this moth yesterday. Oh gosh. Which is awesome. I love it. Kind of like a mythical, ethereal type moth, and yeah, I want to do some more stuff like that. I'm gonna see if I can find some tutorials, just learn some more, and then if not, then I might just kind of go for it on my own and see how it goes, I guess. I do have a project that I started several months ago for some friends that I should probably get to working on as well. Yeah, I probably should work on that, so maybe I do that project. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna drink some coffee and get to drawing, and it definitely feels like a cozy day. It's cloudy. We're in a severe storm watch, I think all day today. Tell us what you have.
A new electric scooter.
It's cheap.
Yeah, it's not the most expensive one out there, but it's still...
We got a new car.
Yeah, this is my new car to get to and from work. Don't even know how to use it, so
so obviously definitely going to film this.
There's a power button right here.
It's a good start.
But I don't know. How do you tell if it's powered on?
I think the screen is on top.
Oh. Yep. I can turn the flashlight on.
Probably should have read the instructions.
Oh, a half second turns the light on. Yep, yeah, I got the light on.
Okay. We got a flashing battery, so you better hurry up.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't know how to go, folks. That's an, oh, oh. It's a wide turn there. Oh, there we go.
Hey, and the brakes work. You did a good job.
I hooked up the brakes correct.
Yeah, and it actually gets going pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah.
New car.
Definitely needs like to get going
Before you quit pedaling. Well, also, Brady is 10 pounds from the max weight. It was a cheap electric scooter because we needed something so he didn't have to walk so far every day. So it was like, what can we get that we can isn't just a wasted purchase? That
gets going fast.
Yeah, 15 miles per hour on a scooter is fast. Yeah, so what can we get that we aren't just gonna have to like throw away or get rid of, that we can actually keep on the boat? So we opted for this option instead of buying a cheap bike, so we can actually have this come in handy on the boat. So yeah, it's been charging. I set it up today and it's been charging, and they say not to use it till it's full. It's full now. I think I might use it full now.
You probably are.
The storm is on its way. Should be here pretty soon. It is definitely probably close to 20 degrees cooler outside than it was when I went for a walk. Maybe an hour ago. It was really hot, and now it is cool. It feels really nice outside, actually. It is significantly cooler outside than it is in our boat right now. I'll have to look at the temperature difference in a bit. The rain has not started. I did feel a few sprinkles. I did feel a few sprinkles. That was a feel and sprinkles combined. Frinkles. I did feel a few sprinkles when I was out there filming the clouds in the impending rain. Like, minimal amount. It will be here soon, and I am here by myself. Brady is off at work, so I don't want to be running around trying to shut everything once it starts. So, I'm on it now. Getting the boat closed up, ready for the rain. Need to find our drip bucket. Yeah, just prep for the storms that are almost here. We've got a stormy evening ahead of us. So you can see it behind me. So, hopefully it's not too bad. But it is definitely somewhere to 10 to 20 degrees cooler out here than it was less than an hour ago, which is crazy. The boat is so much hotter than it is out here. So it looks like it is now 71 degrees outside and feels like 71. Earlier when I went for a walk, it was 80 and felt like 84. And I just got an alert saying that there is a marine warning in our area for the next 54 minutes. Just came through. Looks like occasional thunderstorms likely to continue through 10 p.m. but right now seems to be the highest chance, and I can see them coming. They will be here before too long. The coolness hasn't caught up in the boat. It is still 86 degrees in the boat. It is warm. I am sweating. I have not stopped sweating actually since my walk earlier, so. Okay, I think we're prepared. These doors have been taken off and they're a little hard to get out of their current tucked away spot, so I'll dig them out if it gets too heavy, but for now I'm gonna leave it like this. Oh, I'm so hot. Sweating like crazy. Lovely sheen. It's kind of hard to see right now actually because it's so dark in here. we don't have an iron on the boat. And with this fabric that I've been making or attempting to make our cubby covers out of, it is wrinkled because it's been folded and stuffed away for so long that it's got creases from the folds and stuff. But I really need it to not be creased to be able to sew with it. And what I did not realize is that it's waterproof. So we don't have an iron, so you want to get it wet and hang it to let it dry straight and all of that. But it is so hard to get it wet, which is great for the what it is. It'll be great for like easy cleaning and less staining and all of that. It'll be awesome. But to iron it without an iron, that's a bit of a problem. I'm currently soaking it in some water, one of them. We'll see how that goes, and then I'll hang it out in the cockpit once it's wet. I'm not going to include a question at the end of this video. We do still have some more to answer, but the next one requires Brady and I, and he is really busy and doesn't have a chance to film, so I don't want to answer it without him, so we're going to pause on the questions until there's a chance for us to film a response together. Sorry about that, but hopefully soon.